Okay, here we have a Sub-Zero BI-48 SD. Well, we're going to show you how to change the bulbs. Now, not all Sub-Zero models have the same number of bulbs, but these are using the antibacterial light bulbs, which you will see behind here. You can see one of these bulbs are out. You take the diffuser down. You can see up there. Let's get a new bulb. So here's the part number for the bulbs, $769.99. Try not to handle them with your fingers, because the oils on your body, your fingers can cause the bulbs to burn out prematurely. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to pull that bulb out and use this paper to get it screwed in. So I don't want to touch that bulb. Okay, that's one bulb. So we'll put the light diffuser back in. Like that, and that's that. Now, there may be another bulb down here. Let me see. So there is another bulb in here, right here. So there's actually 6 bulbs in this refrigerator. Let me get another bulb here. Okay, so let's put this bulb in here. Okay, so this model has 6 bulbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this cover right here that goes over the bulb clips onto this little clip here, brackets here. See right there? And just slides on. You have to kind of work it in there. Like that. And that's it. That's how it stays on. That's it. There's a cover right here. Just pull that down. I'm wearing a glove now because I don't want to mess up the bulb. It's got a regular bulb base, but these are special bulbs. You can use a regular light bulb, 40 watt, and not an antibacterial bulb, but this is what the refrigerator calls for. Okay, we get this cover back on. You see how it just, you slide it into there, into those grooves, and then you bend it, and that's it. That's done. Okay, now we have another one underneath. You can see that bulb up there. This piece of glass, you slide it in like this. There's a little clip, a little stopper here. You have to push it in to get the glass out. My hands are wet. They're a little slippery. Okay, so you got that bulb in here. Here's your little light diffuser. You've got little tracks here, and you've got this little tab here that you push up to get the glass out when you want to change it. So you push it in like that, and so that tab prevents that from coming out. That's it. Now, you do have another bulb up here Pull out the ice bucket. And you can see that bulb right up there, and you just remove that diffuser just like you did in the refrigerator section. Change the bulb. Okay, that's it. Easy peasy.